A day in a life as a professor in psychology, samahan niyo ako sa buong araw ko kung ano-ano yung mga trabaho ang ginagawa ko. Unang trabaho, 7 a.m. Ito yung first job ko, my first subject was Theories of Personality. Dahil prelim ngayon, magbibigay lang ako ng exam. Ito yung sample exam. After niya, nagche-check naman ako ng mga inquiries sa social medias ko, sa mga psychological services na ina-offer ko. Unang inquiries about sa research consultation, so I response with them. Then may nagpapatest validation, usually I offer 500 pesos test validations. Around 8:30, my next subject was clinical psychology, so I discussed certain things in clinical psychology. At the same time, I check my online things. So, nakita ko may nag inquire about annulment cases. So, I think hindi pa ako ganun ka-competent enough. So, yun, nirefer ko siya sa kilala kong psychologist na nakapag-handle na ng mga annulment cases. At the same time, no, may mga taga-PUP Santa Mesa, BS Communication, nagre-request for interview. Siyempre, mga taga-PUP yan, hindi natin pwedeng tanggihan. After nun, nag-prepare naman ako ng talk ko para sa seminar ko tomorrow. After nun, around 4 to 7 p.m. may online class naman ako. So, I talk psychological assessment in this time. So, nasa introductions pa lang kami. Kaya yan, nag-i-introduce pa lang ako ng mga psychological concept in relation with psychological assessment. 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. may counseling sessions naman tayo. Around 11:40 p.m. natapos. Tapos, meron pa nag-i-inquire ng mental health fit. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo sa pagsama sa buong araw ko, 7 a.m. to 11:40 p.m. At kung may inquiries kayo about sa mga psychological services na ino-offer ko, feel free to message me and I will be happy to answer your questions or inquiries.